Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have been a little bit quiet these past couple of weeks because I've been adjusting back to life after quarantine, which quarantine is always a bit of a rough time. I've done quarantine twice now, and don't matter whether you're in lockdown, quarantine or anything, you know, being isolated in a room is tough for all of us. So yeah, these past couple of weeks I've been just kind of like mentally trying to get myself back into the game, and then all this week my manager from Zurich has been here. So obviously I've been busy with him, but today's day off and it's beach day today. So me, Adriana and Olivia are going to hit the beach and then probably go to Surfshark later on for a much needed bit of time in the sun and some drinks and stuff later on. So I hope everybody's well, and like I say, thank you for coming back to my channel, and remember to hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. She's always stealing the camera, this one. Hi guys.
Hello.
Definitely caught the sun today. Look how brown this one is. Look at the little Irish one on the end. She's the most tanned. What are we doing now, guys?
We're gonna go to Surfshark, cocktails,
Cocktails.
card games, and have some beers and burgers. And it's raining.
Oh,
Yes.
it's not raining. It's not.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Here she is again. Wow, big waves today. Cocktail time.
I will put a little bit you want more strong, yes?
No, I haven't eaten yet, mate. I haven't.
Time. So much. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Hi Olivia. Look how sunburnt we are today. Well, I'm sunburnt. I'm sunburnt.
Suntan.
Ricardo's leaving and we're sad. They had a big party last night. I went to bed. I'm too old for all that shit.
Saw a giant speaker the size of a telephone box.
It was the same size as me. So I walked into the room and we're like, nah, not doing this. But anyway, so Ricardo's leaving tomorrow. So we've had a painting done of his for his leaving present. So we're just on the way to pick it up now. But we've just had a gorgeous day at the beach. I'll probably...
And what did we have at the beach?
And we had cornettos, and I've not had a cornetto since 1986. They didn't even know the famous advertisement for it. There was, I just want cornetto. They didn't even know it. They're too young. But anyway, yeah. So we'll be back when we've gone to pick this beautiful picture up. Oh, she's got a picture in her phone. It's gorgeous. So see you soon.
Better to look at it in the flesh. So we're going to go pick it up.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Go.
Cute.
Ricardo. That's the man. So good.
So cute.
So good. He's gonna love that.
Yes.
Double trouble.
So I'm gonna get a ceviche burrito. Welcome. With homemade.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my Maldives diaries once again. I've been a bit quiet for a few weeks because it's been a bit of a busy time since I went into quarantine. The last time I did post was when I was in quarantine. So yeah, my manager was here from Zurich for a week. We spent a bit of time together. He brought loads of new stock over. And he took me out for a really beautiful meal at Tribal. Check out my videos and my pictures from that night. It was so beautiful. I've also had a beautiful, beautiful wedding. A gorgeous couple flew all the way from Brazil to celebrate the big day here in the Maldives. The bride was beautiful. We went for a really authentic tropical updo. I have updated the full album to my portfolio page on my website, on my jameswilsonhairbridal.com website, but be sure just to have a look at these images now from the day. It was stunning. We also said goodbye to Ricardo, as you've seen. I've spent so much time with Ricardo over this past 5 months. He's such a cool guy. I've been looking after his hair while I've been here, and we gave him another little tidy up just before I left, and then he did me some little photo shoot, took me some really cool images. Check them out, he looks super cool.
Wow, this is amazing. The spray could be a little bit bigger, but wow, this is sick. Who made this?
I made it.
Oh.
Wow. Caraca. Porra, irado. Caralho. Sick, thank you guys.
So that's it guys, another diary's down. I'm in my last month now here in the Maldives. It's been such an adventure and such a ride. I can't believe that I'm almost there now. But yeah, thanks guys for watching all these videos so far, and if you're enjoying them, please subscribe to my channel, please give the video a like, and also press the notification button for any upcoming videos that are going to be in the pipeline. But yeah, guys, the last month, let's see what happens. I'm really excited to get home now and see my family and friends. Things are getting better at home now, thank God. And yeah, just enjoy my last little bit of time here. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you next time.